Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax? Stop. Before you book, there are a few things you should know. Brazilian waxing can leave your skin feeling smooth for weeks, but preparation, technique, and aftercare all matter. First, choose the right salon. Look for good reviews and pay attention to cleanliness, hygiene, and the experience of the waxing professional. Now let's talk about pain. Yes, waxing can sting, especially if it's your first time. Everyone's pain tolerance is different, so don't expect the experience to feel exactly the same for everyone. Preparation matters. Keep the area clean and avoid aggressive scrubbing right before your appointment. If you exfoliate, doing it gently a day or two beforehand may help reduce the chance of ingrown hairs. And here's an important warning. Don't wax sunburned, irritated, or damaged skin. Give your skin time to recover first. During the appointment, the area is cleansed, wax is applied, and the wax is removed quickly. Your professional should explain the process and help you stay comfortable. Afterward, your skin may be temporarily red or sensitive. That's why aftercare is so important. For roughly the first 24 hours, avoid things that can increase irritation, like very hot baths, intense workouts, friction, and tight clothing. Keep the area clean, follow your professional's aftercare instructions, and avoid picking or scratching irritated skin. If you develop severe pain, significant swelling, pus, spreading redness, or another concerning reaction, contact a healthcare professional. Bottom line, choose a reputable professional, prepare your skin gently, avoid waxing damaged skin, and take your aftercare seriously. Thinking about getting your first Brazilian wax? Tell us what you're most nervous about in the comments, and follow MTH Health for more health tips. Thanks for watching MTH Health. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical health tips, and drop a comment below. What are you most nervous about?